Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet. For those of you who are just joining us, or for my new subscribers, my name is Juliet, and over here in this channel we'll talk about anything that will make us glow, anything that will make our head look fabulous, how to source for hair vendor, and how to grow your business, e-commerce, and everything. That is what we'll talk about here in this channel. And today we are going to be talking about some of the things that we must have as a wig wearer or as a wig owner. Now, I know that it's one thing for you to have a wig, and then it's another thing for you to have things that you need to enjoy that wig that you've just bought. So that is what we are going to be talking about today. Like I said before, if you know you are just bumping into this video now, all you just have to do is tap the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that as soon as any new video just done, you'll be among the first people to be notified. So the first thing that we are going to be talking about, that every wig owner or every wig wearer is supposed to have, is, in fact, let me show you. I have a basket full of things. You can see, I don't know if you can see this. Yes, there are so many things here, and I'm going to be showing you guys one by one. So like I said, the first thing every wig owner or a wig wearer should have is a brush. I know, like, why is it supposed to be among the list? Yes. Have you ever gone out and you find out that most babes don't even have a wig brush in their bag? Like, why? Why don't you have a wig brush in your bag? So the first thing we are going to be talking about is a brush, okay? It might actually be a brush like this. It might actually be a comb. It might actually be any other kind of brush, but as long as it is going to make you have a smooth hair while you are out there, or even when you are at home, it is a must have. A brush is a must have for every wig wearer. If you have a wig at home, a 1 or 2 wig, you need a brush. Sis, get a brush. That aside, another thing again that everyone should have, if I actually think whether you are wearing a real human hair or you are wearing a synthetic hair, whichever one it is, you should have this thing at home. Okay. um it is not hygienic, or it is not a very good idea to dump your wig anywhere, as in, like, the moment you just get back from work, or the moment you are back in from wherever it is that you went to, the first thing you do is you take off your wig and just fling it in one corner, or hang it by the door handle, or tie it into a nylon bag. It's wrong. So this is what we are going to have. You either have this. If you don't have a space for this mannequin, it's fine. It's fine. There's an alternative for this. If you don't have a space for this, it is fine. Or maybe you don't have it, or you don't know where to get it, or just generally you don't have a space for it. It's fine. You don't have to get this, but just make sure that you get this. This is a very good wig storage bag. See, and it's inexpensive. It is very, very, very affordable. I think this is less than 2,000 naira. You get, and it has a zipper bag, and it also has a hanger. Let me show you. It also has a hanger. So all you just have to do is, you know, clip in your hair here. Once you clip it in, you see, you clip it in, probably most especially for your bone straight hairs. For your bone straight hairs, this is the best thing you can use to store your bone straight hair. This. So as far as you've already clip it in here, then you go in ahead and then put it inside the bag. I love this bag so much. You get it. In fact, I think I actually recommend this bag to anyone who owns 1 or 2 wig. Get, if you are getting any wig from me, most especially if you are getting a bone straight hair from me, it comes with this bag, because I wouldn't want you to treat your wigs anyhow. So as far as you've already clipped the hair into this hanger inside, you can then decide to hang it wherever you want to hang it. Your wig is safe here. You can see there's no dust that will come into it, no dirty will come into it, no nothing. And whenever you are ready to wear it again, all you just have to do is to take it out and you are good to go. You see, and it's very affordable. Very affordable. This wig bag is very affordable. I recommend it to anyone who owns one or two wig, okay, and it's very affordable too, like I said. So then the next thing we are going to be talking about is a hair straightener. Most people don't have a hair straightener, probably because they have a stylist standby, or they have a stylist that do style their hairs and all that. It is fine, but once in a while you want to do those things yourself. You get, so it is very important that you get a hair straightener for yourself. This my hair straightener is Kipozi. It's by Kipozi. You don't have to get this one. This one is a little bit expensive. You can get any other cheaper one that you can get for probably 10,000, 15,000 naira. It's going to do the job. And while you are using a hair straightener, please do not use a hair, in fact, do not use any hot tools on your hair without protecting your hair, without applying a heat protectant. So that is where we now come to this. This is a heat protectant. It protects your hair from any form of hot tools. You get, be it straightener, be it the hair coiler, whatever it is. You have to use a heat protectant. It doesn't have to be this brand. Any other good brand is fine. Do not apply heat on your hair without protecting your hair. It's going to damage that hair. It is going to damage. If you think about how much you spend buying that hair, you will not want to go ahead and use heat on your hair without protecting your hair. So get yourself a good heat protectant, and you also get yourself a hair serum. This. Now there's one funny thing that people use or people say. I am a hair seller, I sell hairs, you get. And sometimes you just get some customers will say, I did not apply anything on the hair, you just shea butter. What? Like shea butter on hair? No, it is wrong. It is wrong. And do not go about wearing your hair without applying a serum. Like, how do you even preserve that hair? How do you make that hair shine? How do you make that hair glow? You know, you have to use a serum for your hair. And this is what I use in styling my wigs. I actually recommend this product, except if you can't get it anywhere around you, you can go ahead and get something else. But just make sure it's a very lightweight serum, like a serum that is not going to weigh your head down, a serum that is not heavy, you know, because when you use a heavy serum on your hair, it's going to is going to make your hair look heavy, and how do I put it? It's going to make the weave-on look heavy, and it will easily attract dirt like dust and into the hair. You get, so that way when you try to style your hair, when your hair is dirty or when your hair is heavy, it doesn't really come out well. Okay, so this is what I use. Now if you are going to use it for a straight hair, I use these two. These two does magic to my straight hairs. They do magic, they perform magic to my straight hairs. Now we are going to move on to the next one, which is a hair coiler. A hair coiler. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys two of my favorite hair coilers. It doesn't have to be this brand. This is a Baby Liss Pro, and this is sorry, I might not be able to pronounce the name, but this is it. Coriolis or something like this. You can see. I don't know if you can get it. These are what I use for my coily hairs. I also have other one, but for the sake of this video, I just came up with these two, picked these two You get, I have this one in different sizes and this one in different sizes. So if you are going to curl your hair, because I do understand that sometimes when you have a straight hair or you have a wavy hair, you easily get tired of wearing it plain like that. Sometimes you just want to switch up the look. You just want to switch up the look different, wear the hair in a different way or in a different pattern. So you want to go ahead to want to style it. If you don't have this, it's fine. If you don't have this and this, is fine. There's an alternative for this if you don't have this. The reason I'm saying this is a hot tool. The straightener is also a hot tool. And for you to use any hot tool on your hair, you need a heat protectant and you need a serum. So if you don't have this, most especially, I'm going to take this one out. If you don't have this, which is a heat protectant, do not use any of these hot tools on your hair. Get, you are going to damage that hair, be it Vietnamese hair, be it China hair, be it Indonesian hair. If you continue to use heat on your hairs without heat protectant, you are going to damage those hairs. So if you don't have any of this, you have this. You know, there's one thing funny about this particular bending rollers. You get, back in, let me say, 4 years, 5 years ago, we actually don't know how to make use of this. I mean, not like the hair stylists, the end users. You get, uh back when I remember back then when Brazilian hair just came out, you get, and this was a very hot coiling tool back then, because you get to see, I did it, you get to see most girls, you get, they will just wrap this all over their hair to make the hair look coily. You get, so this is still in vogue till today, tomorrow, and even as far as there is hair, this is still in vogue. It is still in vogue. You can still use this to coil your hair. If you need me to make a video of how, I think I have a video of this, how to coil your hair, you get, the heatless method. I think, yes, I do have a video on this. I think that was the first video I uploaded on YouTube. It is still, and if you watch that video, you will get to see that the coils were popping. It was popping, and you can still create beautiful voluminous coils with this. There are different sizes of this, but this is, let me open it up. I think this is the medium size. This is the medium size. Look at it. There are different sizes of this. There are smaller sizes. There is a bigger size of this. I think this has up to four sizes, if not more than. So depending on the coil, the coil or the wavy pattern you want to go for, you can decide to go for the size. But it is very affordable. Very affordable. I don't think this is up to 2,000 naira. I don't think I have actually had this for a long time. I don't think I have. This is up to 2,000 naira. This is not up to 2,000. I don't know about now, but I doubt it is up to 2,000 naira, and it's very affordable. Please know that everything that I'm showing you here, I'm not showing you step by step. I'm just showing you things that you should have as a wig wearer. So it doesn't have to be like a step by step process. So then I'm going to show you, the next thing I'm going to show you is this. It might look common, but come on, you need this. You get, you want to protect your own scalp from the wig. You want to protect the wig from the sweat coming out from your head. So you need this cap. If you are a wig wearer, or if you have a wig, you need this cap. It's a two-in-one socks cap. So this is it. This is it. You guys. So you need this cap. It is very important. Whether you are wearing your closure, or you are wearing your frontal, or you are wearing your 4x4, or you are whatever it is, you need this cap. You need it. It's very important. You get. So that is that. Another thing that I'm going to show you guys now is a hot comb. If you want to enjoy your closure, you want to enjoy your frontal, you want to enjoy your 5x5 or whatever size of closure it is you are using. This is needed. It is needed. I don't know how much this costs right now, but I think there are different pattern and there are different sizes of it. I mean, there are different types of it out there. So I don't know which one. I can't even remember how much I got this one again, but I got this one for like how many years ago? It's been long. It's been old. As you can see, it's already wearing enough. But it's very, very needed. If you want to lay your closure very flat, if you want to lay your frontal very, very flat, this is what you need. Now you will not just go ahead and use this on your hair without this. This is the hair wax. If you use this on your hair without the hair wax, you are going to burn the hair. You are going to burn the hair on your closure on the frontal because this is usually very, very hot. It's usually very, very hot. So you have to make sure you apply your hair wax. Make sure you apply your hair wax while using your hot comb. So I don't know. I don't think there's any other thing that will be needed. And more about that. Okay, this is another straightener that I used to use. I still use it now though, but not every time. This is a more affordable straightener, and it's actually very hot. Very hot. This is it. I don't know if you can see the name. And it's a wide white plate. This is it. If you are a beginner and you want a straightener that will be giving you what you want, I highly recommend this straightener. It is more affordable than this. I just went for this because I am a wig seller, so I did something better. But for personal use, I recommend this one. This straightener is hot. Is hot. Trust me, it will give you what you want. It will definitely give you what you want. And it's quite affordable. I don't know how much it's going for now, but it is way more affordable than this. So that's what I felt like it would be good for me to come over here and share with you guys today. Let me know what you want me to make. If you want me to make a tutorial on any of these tools I've just showed you today, if you want me to make another tutorial using these bending rollers, it's fine. Just indicate in the comment section. Let me know what you want and let me know which of these tools that you've used or which of these wig tools that you have and what's your thoughts on them. So that will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you'll be among the first to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be among the first to get notified as soon as a new video drops down. That will be all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.